In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front window switches on this Volkswagen TDI Jetta wagon. These are going to be located on the front doors. Let's get into it. Using a trim tool, get underneath the bezel right here, and we're just going to pop this up. Pull that up. There's some clips that hold that in. Some clips in the back. Disconnect the connectors. Just push down on the tab. Slide the connectors out. This one has a little orange lock. Slide that up. Then you can get this one out. There you go. Pull that off. Now take the switch out of the bezel. Just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just try to release the tabs on the side. You can push up from the front. Just put a little bit of pressure. And that comes right out. Take the new switch, line it up. Just lock it down into the bezel. Now connect the connectors, lock that in place, take the other connector, lock that in place. Now take the bezel, get this lined up, and push it down in place. Now we're going to program the switch. You need to turn the key into the on position, and you're going to push the switch all the way down, and you're going to hold it while you're doing this. Hold it for a few seconds, hold it for 5 seconds, then let up. Then we're going to do the same, hold it up. When it goes all the way to the top, hold it for 5 seconds. Then release, and then you can check the automatic function. It goes down automatically, and it goes up automatically. And you're going to do the same for the passenger side. And shut the key off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.